we request everyone to please prepare as we'll be offering our and gratitude to our Heavenly Parents through Kyongbe. Today is April 25, 2026. To start our program, let's offer our respect and gratitude to our Heavenly Parents and true parents through half bow. 하늘 부모님과 천지인 sambuanga prayer, may I call on Pastor John Cao.
Now let's pray, brothers and sisters. Good evening, our dearest Heavenly Parents, the victorious true parents of heaven, earth, and humanity. Today is the continuation of the ongoing education, 4 days education for the preparation or in preparation for the forthcoming special great works and the holidays, the important holidays. Yes, Heavenly Parents, we say nothing but to just express our deepest gratitude for everything, giving us all these opportunities, this grace, Heavenly Parents, that we truly needed in order for us to really be connected to the providence in attendance to the last central figure in the providence of restoration, no other than our true mother, the Holy Mother Hand. Yes, Heavenly Parents, we always pray for the good health or the healing of our true mother who is now in the hospital. And we pray, Heavenly Parents, that through the cooperation and the support of the spiritual, please allow our true mother, the parents, to go back to the original palace after uh, being cured, Heavenly Parents, in that hospital. May you always allow the great angels, the medical angels, Heavenly Parents, to be with the hands of all the medical staff attending our true mother for her fast recovery, Heavenly Parents. And at this very moment, we are deeply, deeply grateful, Heavenly Parents, that despite of the situation, you are allowing us, Heavenly Parents, to be strengthened in spirit. And we offer your deepest gratitude for all these graces that we are really, really receiving from you. At this very moment tonight, Heavenly Parents, please continue speaking to us the words of wisdom. Please continue revealing to us the things in the words that we needed to know, Heavenly Parents, the inspiration that we needed in order for us to keep moving on, Heavenly Parents, as people or as your children who are connected to the true parents. Yes, Heavenly Parents, we are really deeply grateful, Heavenly Parents, that despite of all our failures, in despite of all our setbacks, in our weaknesses, you are still had been finding a way, Heavenly Parents, to reach out to each and every one of us, especially the grace, Heavenly Parents, of receiving the Chongshimwon that you had spread all throughout the world in so that you could be able to reach out to each and every one of us. Yes, we prayed in Heavenly Parents that each of us could really appreciate this ongoing accomplishment, this ongoing things that is being done by our true mother. She is doing her best, Heavenly Parents, to really accomplish the task that was given to them as true parents as long as they are still alive in the face of this earth. I prayed in Heavenly Parents that you could speak through us through all the leaders, the speakers, Heavenly Parents, that you have appointed at this very moment and allow us also to be able to digest everything, every word, Heavenly Parents, that may come from you, that we could be able to receive it and digest it well, Heavenly Parents, and always remember deep in our hearts. Yes, Heavenly Parents, I pray, Heavenly Parents, for our brothers and sisters who are still on the way, doing their best, Heavenly Parents, to attend this activity, this online activity, the preparation for the forthcoming great works. Yes, Heavenly Parents, Thank you so much once again for everything. With deep gratitude in attending Holy Mother Run, I humbly offer this prayer in my name, John Gauk Jr. of a blessed family, June.
Aju, Aju. Thank you so much, Pastor John, for that very beautiful and genuine opening prayer po. Now, this time to proceed to our program, we will be hearing a warm greetings po for everyone. So let's welcome the Area 3 Director of FFWPU Philippines, none other than Reverend Froilan Matbagan Jr. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, our MC today, our sister Shenmi. First, I would like to greet all our leaders who are present tonight. Director, heads are present here. Our Sir Edgar and all the departments I cannot see already in the screen. But of course, all our area directors, our Sir Rene is also here, and all our other area directors and head pastors, and all our blessed families, brothers and sisters are present tonight. Yeah, tonight, today is the second session of this Chonbo education, and we are truly grateful, and we are so blessed for this opportunity that despite of our busy schedule, we could still have a chance and time to receive more encouragement coming from our dear leaders. They are really that so active, and that they are really want to reach out all our brothers and sisters that this spring great works is really a blessing to all the because we are given a chance to receive it all with a very minimal condition. Before we heard that based na rin sa first session na narinig natin that dati $10. Ngayon, $2 na lang, at saka yung 7 years old to 17 years old, naging $1 na lang siya. At naging libre pa yung 6 years old hanggang sa bagong panganak, or kahit yung nandun sa sinapupunan. So this is a great blessing, brothers and sisters. And I think based on my kind of reflection, because of the great love of True Mother, gusto niya lahat maka-participate, and there should no one should be left, because hindi magiging dahilan na ang pera ang dahilan kung bakit hindi tayo maka-receive ng great works. And of course, ang number one talaga na challenge na lang sa atin is our time, and our proper attitude on how we can receive these things. Kasi kahit naman siguro ipamigay na lang na libre, kung wala ka ring time, you cannot receive that kind of great blessing na naghihintay para sa atin. Kaya, yeah, we have to really break through on this kind of situations that we have in this current era, that napakabilis ng ating panahon. And all our brothers and sisters are rushing, coping in this era. But we have to understand the reason why we are here, why we are all of us, including our ancestors, even those who are spirits who are relying on us, could have an opportunity in this present time. Kasi sa totoo lang, kukunti na lang kasi ang naniniwala sa spirit world. Kaya napaka-busy talaga nila. they prioritize na lang they prioritize na lang to cope up on this era talaga, on material aspect, on how to survive, all of these things. Kaya this is a great opportunity that we could receive more love, or what I mean is words of love, and for us to be fed with the great words of our true parents, instead of so many words outside. So this is a good opportunity also to listen. That's why we have so fortunate that we could also receive our regional director to give us more this kind of insight, and where we can reflect on, in order that we could prepare our hearts, our mind, to receive these great works. Yeah, I hope that all our brothers and sisters could join, and let's prepare our heart that we could listen carefully to the words for tonight. Again, thank you and good evening to everyone.
Thank you so much po, Sir Froilan, for that very beautiful greetings for everyone. Love is really very big, at as much as possible. Everyone could join the great works, but it is also our responsibility if we could give time, and what would be our attitude. So I think you can po, Sir Froilan. So with that connection, we will be he po, Dr. Edgar Tanate. Welcome, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Yes.
Can you hear my voice? Thank you, my beloved wife. So, uh, yes, this day not only for our movement, but happening at the even economically, we are definitely affected. Ang ating gasolina, grabe na kataas, and we're expecting more challenges to come. So the time that we're living in today, talagang naiiba, and I really feel that the spiritual world support is essential in our time today, because our goal is not only to survive, our goal is to really change ourselves, change our family, and change the world, so that we can really establish a world where our children can really live in peace and harmony, one family under Heavenly Parent. So anyway, we have this special activity based on the guidance of True Mother. Call this the special. Can I share? Yeah, I think so. Can you see my slides, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we will have our special great works, summer great works, coming May 1 to May 3. Ada, that's, yes, lapit na, no? Okay. And that will be held in our Yojong Chonwon complex, the Restored Garden of Eden, the center of the works of the substantial Holy Spirit. And actually, this will be our homeland, homeland of all people, the place where the kingdom of heaven will begin, the original place where Adam and Eve, if they have reached perfection, would have been the center of the kingdom of heaven on earth. So this is now that place, brothers and sisters, very precious place. So, True Father actually had given his messages, even though he's in the spiritual world. That is through the Jongsong and the devotion given by or offered by the different members offering devotion in Chonsimon in Korea. So these words I would like to share with you. Let me read. Attendance at the great works is, needless to say, essential. In the spirit world, the great works are a festival. They are events directly presided over by the true parents, where the spiritual and physical worlds move forward as one. So, how can those who proclaim that they will become victorious tribal messiahs fail to even register in great works? Even if you adjust your schedule, you must attend. And if that is difficult, at least register. Can you imagine? Through Father's guidance to all of us, even though you are busy, you have to register. Do your best. You have to adjust your schedule. Even though you cannot attend, as long as you register, right? And then, let me continue. Even make a proxy registration for your family, True Father said, so that a path can be created for the spirits within you to be organized. Yeah, even just a little. You see, so even though you cannot attend, still, if you register, most especially, even your family, you register, they cannot attend, and only a proxy will attend the special great works on behalf of your family, on behalf of yourself, as long as you registered, then this can create a path so that the spirits within ourselves can be organized. So still there is an incredible spiritual benefit, even only we register. Because once the spirits in our bodies are organized, meaning the absolute good spirits, our absolute good ancestors are organized well, then they can work more effectively to really support us in our mission. And that can come to us in the form of heavenly fortune, right? So let me continue. Registering for the great works is not for your personal sake alone. It gives spirits the opportunity for liberation, and it establishes conditions on their behalf. So, by registering in the great works, as True Father said, it can give opportunity for the spirits to be liberated. Why is it important? That are ancestors, or maybe those central evil spirits that our ancestors are harmed. Why is it good for them if we register? Because it opens the path for them to be liberated. Because this central evil spirit wants us to suffer. They want to take revenge. So they don't want us easily on earth. So, but if we register in special great works, it gives them the opportunity to be liberated, and therefore their resentments can be resolved. And if that happens, then the misfortune that is actually brought about by these central evil spirits, resentful spirits, can be resolved. So, brothers and sisters, simply registering in the great works is already a great blessing for all of us. It can help us so that our life on earth can be easier, and most especially so that we can have the opportunity and the chance to be able to fulfill our responsibility. So without liberating these central evil spirits, fulfilling our responsibility is not easy. It will be very difficult, if not impossible. That's why registering in the great works is incredibly beneficial for all of us. So Father even said, since I cannot come, for example, you cannot come now, I feel sorry that I want to at least set a condition, thinking, even in this small way, I want to offer strength to True Mother. You see? So even though you cannot come, as long as you register, but it should be best if you come and join. Then, by simply registering and joining this Chonbu event, you see, you can think that in this small way, which is to register, which is to join in this great works, we can offer a bit of strength to True Mother. We can give a little bit of energy to True Mother, right? So that True Mother can really have more energy to overcome this cosmic cross. And eventually, all of us can be victorious together with True Mother. So this is not just an event that we register and we join. This has direct impact in our life of faith. This direct impact in the building of God's kingdom. This has direct impact in supporting our beloved True Mother. That is what True Father said, right? So let me continue. It may not be much, and even though my daily devotion has been lacking, I just hope that even in this small way, I can offer a bit more strength, right, to True Mother. This is very, very crucial and very, very important, brothers and sisters, in these very important times when True Mother really needs our support. No, we can give a little bit of energy to True Mother. How wonderful it is! Without these great works, without these Chonbu works, how can we give our support to True Mother? How can we give a little bit of energy to True Mother so that she can really overcome this cosmic cross, and we can have the chance to participate in this effort of really setting the condition to save this world? That is what True Mother is doing now. We join with True Mother in offering this cosmic cross together and be victorious together. So registering in these great works is really crucial and essential in the building of God's kingdom. So through these special great works, you can have the opportunity to join the Ansu, the Chanyang Yoksa session, and there is this so-called Resonance Ansu that is now being promoted in Chonbu, Korea. So what is this Resonance Ansu? When we join the Chanyang Yoksa session and we do Ansu to our bodies, we can connect with True Mother by thinking that we are liberating this pain in the parts of the body that True Mother is really suffering. So we can relieve this pain from True Mother's body using our body, representing us, our body, as we tap our body during the Chanyang Yoksa session. So we are resonating with True Mother's heart, with True Father's heart, with Heavenly Parents' heart as we do the Ansu session. So through this great works, can do that. He really, emphasized, right? He said that, like the red part, let me read. In that process, I unexpectedly experienced an energy coming from True Mother. I felt a warm energy and a heart that seemed to comfort me. I even felt as if True Mother was saying to me, "You've worked hard." Although I began this with the intention of becoming a source of strength for True Mother, it was actually True Mother who embraced and comforted me. You see that? So by offering this Resonance Ansu for True Mother, what happened to him? He is thinking that he can at least help True Mother relieve the pain and give more energy to True Mother through this Ansu, as he is doing the Ansu to himself. But by doing so, he felt that instead of giving energy to True Mother, it is True Mother who is giving energy to him. How wonderful is that kind of give and take action, right? So we can really receive this kind of heart and grace from True Mother, from Heavenly Parent, by offering this resonant Ansu. Chanyang Yoksa session. How amazing that is, right? So look at that. We have our goal for this 2026 registration, and that is what goal? 210,000. And for Heavenly Asia, at least we have to reach 2,500 people. But in Asia Pacific, we know that most of the numbers of members are from the Philippines. So our regional director, Reverend Ron, is mentioning we have to reach 2,000, at least 2,000 to register. Brothers and sisters, look, even in Africa, East Africa, West Africa, their goal is 25,000 people to register in Africa. In Heavenly Asia, 2,500. In Philippines alone, we have to do our best to reach 2,000 to register, or yeah, 2,500 if you can take that. I think it's possible because our our membership, right? Our membership in our database reached 3,200 members, I think, more or less 3,200 members. So if we can really spread out this special great works, we can reach 2,500 to register. How can we do that? You know, in order to do that, our headquarters in Korea, Chonbuk, Korea, even made this new donation standard for Asia Pacific. As you can see, Group 4 for Asia. You can see Group 4, the Philippines, we belong to Group 4. So you can see that 18 years old and above, we can only give a donation of $2. For 7 to 17 years old, only $1. And for 0 to 6 years old, yeah, 0. No need to pay. So, meaning we can now even register our children, 6 years old and below, no need to donate. They can join, right? For those who are 17 years old and below, until 7 years old, only $1. So meaning, no, we can even register our spiritual children who are inactive, our potential spiritual children. We can register them with $2, right? If by registering them, even though they don't participate, they don't join, but they receive that grace, no, of the out of these incredible great works, where more than 500 billion absolute good spirits and angels are mobilized. Yeah. So if we do that to our spiritual children, there can be a chance that they can be active and they can attend seminar and they can really connect. Those who are inactive, we can register them, and then they can have the chance and opportunity to be mobilized through the spiritual world by spiritual world support. They can come back to our movement, to True Parents, and we can revive them spiritually. So we can really reach 2,500 to register in the Philippines alone. Aju? Very, very important. Let's register all our children who are 6 years old to 0, even just give birth months old baby, we can register. Aju? I think we can really reach this goal, brothers and sisters. So, by joining this Chonbo, this great works, now, as True Parents had made even this calligraphy, heavenly fortune, heavenly blessing, inheritance, Chongpyong great works. Meaning, if we register in Chonbo great works, we can inherit heavenly fortune and heavenly blessing. Ju, how wonderful it is, brothers and sisters. Let's do our best and accomplish this. Let us register and join the Summer Great Works on May 1 to 3. I think this is this very important Great Works because this is also on the occasion of the 66th anniversary of the Holy Wedding of True Parents of Heaven, Earth, and Humankind, and the first anniversary of the entrance into Chonbongung in Chonil Sanctum. Let's join our hearts together, brothers and sisters, and bring victory for these special great works. Aju? Thank you very much. Saranghamnida.
Aju, thank you so much po, Sir Edgar. Very special opening message. Aju. Yes, so truly we are now very responsible for this great blessing that True Parents have given to us. Yeah, I would like to reflect upon it as well. So yes, so next po we will be proceeding to our program, which is the main part of our program po, receiving the special Great Works lecture, if I'm not mistaken. So without further ado, let's all welcome our Regional Director of FWPU Philippine Region, Reverend Ronnie Sadusta. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, I like this.
Good afternoon, Shinmei.
Good afternoon po.
The main lecture, we only have one lecture si Sir Edgar na yon. Let me just
Okay
give some
po.
final guidance on that
Thank you
one.
po.
Okay. Thank you so much po sa lahat who attend this one. We have 83 million people and spirits who are joining us tonight. I believe we are growing po from 60 last last time.
We are.
And I'm so happy we have this small ministry that we are doing right now. It's a national in scope, and we are really learning. Upon doing Hunduke, in my previous sharing po, we were told by True Father to really learn about spirituality. It should be in our everyday life. Hence, we are so lucky po that we have this kind of education. Also, I would like to express my gratitude those who responded in our urgent and important notice yesterday. So we check po with Chonbo staff. Meron po tayo doon si Ate Melody and si Ate Edna working in the international office. They are the one who message. Tinawagan pa po ako personally yesterday that yesterday po, so kaninang umaga was the last the last opportunity that they could send yung mga nag-register po sa Great Works. All their names will be sent right now po, was sent in Chonsimon, and meron pong mga staff or key leaders, President Igisong and the others who are praying for those names. And it's a great privilege and a great opportunity po para sa atin that aminado po tayo, hindi tayo lahat malapit sa spirit world, or we do not know. They are more sensitive to the spirit world than us. There are more who understand the spirit world than us. Hence, we are in need of this kind of education. Kaya, malaking tulong po sa atin na meron pong ganitong program or ganitong opportunity that we balance our lifestyle from, shedding our fallen nature in our everyday life to to be able to establish yung foundation of substance, and then matulungan po tayo to establish yung foundation of faith through this kind of event. Ito pong mga chonbo, yung mga spirituality po natin. Sa ganung paraan po, we are teach to grow, balance yung whole, whole growing po natin, both in spirit and also in body. Sa ganitong way po, nakapagbigay tayo ng spiritual life, and we are giving vitality elements to our spirit. And once here, but there are many spirits who are working with us, who are in need of liberation, who are in need of help, who are in need of support and blessing. So, yung ating portion of responsibilities to encourage more our brothers and sisters who did not yet register for Great Works. Although, hindi man po mailagay yung name nila this time doon sa Chonsimon and be offered prayer, but still, we are encouraging po because it's a tremendous blessing, and iba po siya sa grace ng local Chonbo event that is conducted in Isabel. For example, these great works will give us different grace, and will give us more blessings po, centering on the foundation and sacrifice and jongsong that's been laid by our Holy Mother Han, and also key staff po and leaders whose focus is to improve our spirituality. Sana po after this, kung meron man po kayong maibigay na magandang testimony, we could continue po this kind of education, and we could hear more testimonies from the life of our brothers and sisters. Hence, through this ministry po, education ministry, we can encourage our yung congregation po natin to not just actively pursue, but understand, believe, and become one with the good spirit world. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-attend. I pray that from this time on, you can more feel the presence of your absolute good ancestors, medical angels in the spirit world, and the grace of the great works and this spirituality be upon us all. Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Looking forward to the beautiful testimonies of how our life changed because of this great works and the spirituality. Thank you po.
Thank you very much po, Sir Ronnie. Yes, truly, lahat po ng mga testimony who experience the beauty of great works is very welcome. Yan. I too myself would like to share testimony, no, someday, Aju, to also feel the presence of our ancestors, absolute ancestors as well. So yeah, thank you so much, Sir Ronnie, and also for Sir Edgar for the special great works lecture a while ago and for the special remarks also from Sir Ronnie. Yes, with that, speaking of testimony, I think everyone is really excited to hear the proof of how it is beautiful to participate with the right attitude in the special great works. So without further ado po, let's all welcome one of the respected blessed family in Cavite Church, our Chonbo blessed family as well. Let's all welcome none other than Mrs. Jesseline Illustrissimo. Welcome, Auntie, for your testimony.
Yes, good evening, leaders, brothers, and sisters. I'm Jesseline Illustrissimo, blessed last August 25, 1995, to Ryan Illustrissimo. We are 360,000 couples, Chombo, Victors, 2021. We were blessed with 5 children. First, Princess Minmi, blessed last April 16, 2022. Blessed last with Tugu Song Dekbe. She graduated in IPLC with Latin honor. Second, Yun Ryan, Illustrissimo, who finished his 2 years GPA mission in USA. Now going to college to continue his studies. He is this year 2026. And third child is Anjun, ongoing 2 years youth mission in Next Generation Mission in USA. He will graduate soon this year. So he will be going back to Philippines. Fourth, our daughter, Princess Min just graduated senior high school. Now preparing to do his youth mission in USA. And fifth, our youngest daughter, she is in senior high school, grade 12. I'm very grateful to our beloved heavenly parents, true parents, for all our wishes were granted. Being a missionary in early years in the movement, since I'm in college student in Baguio through CARP and Wanwado, now Tong Ilmudo, a center full-time in Baguio Center, to National Regional Commando in 1990, to Business Department staff, missionary, to a mother figure, where we are assigned from, to a wife of a leader, accountant in the region, and also mother of 5 children. I'm very grateful for that heavens guides me in my spiritual journey. As we promise to Heavenly Parent and true parents, trying our best to fulfill our mission as blessed family, guiding and taking caring the children. As we know that our children is not our own children. They are the children of true parents. We are only caretaker. That is the reason why before they are going to enter college life, they need to pass through the life of being missionary. From then to understand the purpose and mission in life, as well as to understand the real heart of heavenly parent and true parents. The most important thing to give them is for them to understand the heart of our heavenly parent and true parents, for them to respond also with our own understanding who they really are. They have the responsibility to fulfill, bringing joy and happiness to heavenly parent and true parents. To become filial son and daughters of heavenly parent and true parents. As we both raising the children, we guide them, even though they are very small. We attended every schedule of Chombo event and great works We participated with wish papers, more gold wish paper, together with our children. We made our wishes. In our house, we become, as we started family life, year 1998 to 2021, we rented for, for all that years. And we are so much grateful because of the wish papers together with the children, with the help of my husband, who is working in America, far away for almost 16 years. As he finished his 3 years mission in America. After that, he started to have a job to help and to support our children. How we can really raise them as a blessed children of true parents. That's why we are so much want to express the intimacy of love coming from our beloved heavenly parent and true parents. So this time we are so much grateful for all those blessings because of this workshop, because of this Chombo event. Even though our children are very small, we really guide them how they can really attend, even in Sunday school, in workshop, in other places. We tried our best for them to be educated, for them to understand the the essence of to parents' principles, how we can share to them. That is the reason why, even though we are, for how many years, my husband is still in America. Because of the great love of heavenly parent and true parents, we are still here, following the guidance of Heavenly Father and true parents as our true mother. When, as she said, no stopping. So we do the Chombo mission. So because of the love, because of the protection, because of the inspirations from above, our good ancestors, we are still here. We are still here. We feel that love comes from heavenly parent and true parents. That is the one that I almost cannot forget, because as I have dream of true father, I'm very ashamed because she called me and let me sit. I sit down, and as I sit down, true father massage my back. Massage my back because in that state I feel I'm very, very tired in doing my mission. I'm the one, almost I'm the one almost initiating, but true father called me and massaged my back in my dreams, and then true father said, I'm tired. I'm tired already. True father said, but I'm wondering why true father said he's tired. Why he's still continuing massaging my back? So that is the reason why that I feel ashamed to true father, because even the true father is very tired, he's still continuing the mission. So heavenly parents, we are so much grateful for that inspirations, even though my husband is very far. Because of that love, that and dreams, I have this I have the time, and I have the opportunity to always think to father. The father is still there, working so hard, even though we're retired. So I should not feel relaxed also. That's the reason why, even though I'm alone, caring the 5 children, to guide these children, I, I manage it because of the spiritual energy that I have received, the dreams, the inspiration that I have received in the church. Well, we go to Sunday service together with my children. That's the reason why I'm here. I'm alive, even though it's very difficult to be a blessed family. But there's no other way. This is the way of blessed family. This is the way of true father. This is the shortcut way. So I'm very grateful because these 5 children are very obedient to really attend also to receive inspiration, receive principles. 감사합니다. 사랑합니다.
Thank you very much, Auntie Jesseline, for that very honest and heartfelt testimony. I could feel the filial piety towards your heart, Auntie, towards our heavenly parent and true parents. And I could feel that your children also felt that kind of filial heart that you have towards true parents. So they're really doing their best to be filial towards you as well. Thank you so much. I feel like that is the spirit of receiving and attending great works. Really the heart of being as a child of how we can be able to support and help our parents. And just like Sir Edgar mentioned a while ago, Great Works is a festival in the spirit world. And even though it's difficult in our time, we must have the adjustment in our schedule to attend as much as we can. So, Auntie, thank you so much for your hard works. Thank you so much for your investment. I feel your children is really growing so well because of your love. Thank you so much for your testimonies. Yes. Okay. So with that, I believe all of our fellow brothers and sisters would also like to feel the beauty of receiving the great works. So with that, we will proceed to our announcements. Yes. Okay, thank you very much po. So this time, I would like everyone to have the attention for these important reminders. So we are now conducting our 4 days special Great Works Chonbo education in preparation for the special Great Works on May 1 to 3, 2026. So today is April 25, so it is our second day of our Chonbo education. So the next session would be on April 28 from 7 p.m. po. And we would encourage all members in the Philippines and in other countries to Aju. May the bless you and your family. Aju. 7 p.m. po in Zoom. Yes, next announcement. Okay, there you go. Speaking of our special event, as we are preparing this devotion, we will be having our Hyojong Chonbo special Great Works. And yes, greetings for all Chonbo Korea and also in Philippines. The HA Heaven and Earth Chonbo Training Center will conduct 4 Chonbo Special Great Works in 2026 in accordance with True Mother's direction for all members to attend. This coming May 1 to 3, 2026, the Hyojong Chonbo Special Workshop will be held in celebration of the 66th Holy Wedding Anniversary of the true parents of heaven, earth, and humankind, and the first anniversary of the entrance in the Chonwongung Chonil Sanctum. The workshop will be conducted both on-site and via online. So this is the registration link I believe all the churches have already distributed this registration, and the deadline would be for April 28 po, 6 p.m. only. No extension, Aju. So yeah, just like Sir Edgar have mentioned a while ago, True Father encouraged everyone to offer this very important Jongsong because this will impact, especially for offering the strength to our beloved True Mother as well, and also experiencing the resonance answer. So this is the a while ago, very special grace from heaven that the registration is lessened already. From age 0 to 6, there will be no payment. 7 to 17 years old, $1 only for about 62 peso. And 18 years old and above, only $2 for about 124 peso. So this is the ano po, GCash account and the bank account as well. So if you can have time, please screenshot na po and go and register na po, Aju. So you can have screenshot po. Okay, I think everyone have gotten that. So this is the goal of our region. Yes, monitoring report. Yeah. So let's do our best in each churches to participate happily and well prepared in our hearts. Also, I myself would like to encourage all the Antipolo of these children as well. Ayun. So next, reminders. I think next event po. Ayon, our second 21-day spiritual growth workshop that will be held on May 9 to 29, venue in Heavenly Asia Pacific, Chonbo, Pakchong, Thailand. Yes, so encouraging everyone, blessed families, parents, brothers and sisters, first gen or even second gen, who wanted to grow their spiritual level, then it's really very encourageable to join this workshop in Thailand next month. Ayun. So I believe this is also will be announced by per churches. So yes, thank you so much for that announcement as well. And I think also all the churches have already heard that announcement as well. So yes, now let's proceed to our program po. As we come to the closing part of our program, let us welcome the Area 2 Director of FWPU Philippines, Reverend Rene Lansangan, for his closing message. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, Sister Shinmi. My special greetings to our beloved Regional Director, Sir Ronnie Sodosta, our beloved lecturer, Sir Edgar Tanate, Area Director, Sir Ferlan Matbagan, Junior, and all the head pastors, senior pastors. I would like to offer also my gratitude, my sincere thanks and gratitude to all of you for all your supports on Jongsong for the recent Chonbo event here in Kawayan City, Isabela, last April 18 to 19, 2026, headed by our Chonbo Asia Pacific President, President Kim, and our RD, Sir Ronnie Sodosta. Because of that, we offer to our Heavenly Parents and to parents around 377 registered participants, 177 on site, and 200 via Zoom or online, a total of 377. This is really a big miracle, brothers and sisters. As you know that we experience very difficult world crisis, and we thought that it will be postponed kasi baka kukunti lang yung darating or mag-attend. But because of our Jongsong, as well as our determination and the Chonbo education, talagang malaking tulong po ang Chonbo education. in order to remind us the importance of our ancestors, the support of the spirit world, our absolute good ancestors, the amazing grace and the blessings from our two parents. So because of our unity, our region, Philippines offered this amazing grace and blessing to our heavenly parent and to parents. And also it's a big opportunity that our brothers and sisters could be able to liberate and bless their ancestors. They offer their wish papers. Talagang mas marami ng dihamak kaysa sa before nung nag-conduct kami dito sa Kawayan. At marami ngayon ang nagpa-bless ng kanilang ancestors. Marami na tayong mga kakampi sa spirit world, no? Ang mga ating mga absolute good ancestors. Kasi itong we are now in the last days of last days. Talagang pabigat ng pabigat ng mga challenges ngayon, from individual challenges to family, tribe, society, nation, and world level of challenges, including our beloved Holy Mother Han. So that's why kailangan natin ng maraming mga kakampi, no, ng mga heavenly fortunes or spiritual protections. That's why this is really a spiritual investment, and I'm very happy na ang ating mga brothers and sisters dito sa region, sa area namin ay naintindihan nila yung significance ng Chonbo event as well as ng great works na this is spiritual investment over expenses. Kahit hindi tayo makakain ng isang araw para lang sa ganito is worth it, no? Talagang kasi siksik-liglig, umaapaw na biyaya naman ang darating, na yung hindi nating mga na-expect na darating na mga blessings ay dumarating. Lalo-lalo yung power ng mga wish papers, yung ng removal ng central evil spirits. At sa mga testimony nga dito, yung isang elder sister natin, sabi niya, buhay pa tayo, ay pwede na tayong i-judge ng mga ancestors, ng mga spirit na hindi natin na-witnessan, hindi natin na-educate. So that's why habang buhay pa tayo, ay kailangan natin gawin ang ating portion of responsibility to educate our family members, our neighbors, our tribes, and our community. So ito yung ating responsibility. Kasi that's why Tomates always emphasize yung witnessing. And as well as the importance of education. Then especially itong Chonbo at saka special great works. So after Chonbo, another blessing itong yung great works. Kaya hindi na mahirap mag follow up or mag-educate or mag-encourage kasi nga highly deeply educated na ng ating mga brothers and sisters. Kaya lang may mga challenge lang sa mga technicalities. Yung iba hindi pa rin, hirap pa rin sa online registration. Kaya dito na kahapon ay grabe yung mga inquiries at saka yung mga pakiusap na i-register sila kasi gusto din nila na ipagpipray din sila sa Chongpyong ng ating mga brothers and sisters. Kaya so hanggang madaling araw nag-register po tayo. So because of that, dumami din ang ating registered participants. So ito maganda, may mga support system. Hindi lang tayo lang. Hindi lang yung pamilya lang natin. Pero yung the entire Holy Community, hindi lang yung Philippine region, the entire Asia Pacific, and the entire international community. Kaya very amazing na we're living in the era of two parents, our beloved Holy Mother Han. So that's why, brothers and sisters, let's encourage our brothers and sisters. Ito na yung pinaka-best opportunity natin na sana ngayong year makompleto natin yung 4 times na great works, no, para lahat ay makareceive ng special Holy Candle for holy things na ito ay ang magbibigay ng heavenly fortune for the third blessing sa bawat isa, sa bawat family sa atin. So that's why bakit tayo naging chonbo? Bakit? Kaya ang maganda yung mga testimonies eh. Kaya I'm very happy and proud sa Ilustosivo family. Ito yung mga talagang kumpatibayan lang. Isa sila sa pinakamatibay na pamilya. Talagang kitang-kita ko, bata pa ako, maliit pa lang bago pa lang ako sa church, nakikita ko na yan sila, long distance relationship, pero nakip nila yung blessing, yung love sa isa't isa, yung paano nila ni-raise up yung kanilang mga anak na maging active sa church. So mga ganon, talagang miracle. Kung hindi, kung wala lang because of their deep understanding towards parent to parents and the value of the blessing, baka bumigay na rin sila. So that's why ito ang napakaswerte ng ating mga young couple, ng ating mga blessed children kasi mayroon lang mga model. May mga role model na tayo na ito lang na gagayahin lang natin na kung kaya nila, mas kakayanin natin kasi marami ng support system. Unlike sa mga elders and pioneers natin, talagang they are highly persecuted. They are highly rejected by their relatives, even yung sa mga classmates nila, lahat, mga neighbors nila, but they never give up of their faith. Pero ngayon, solid na tayo, mas marami na tayo, that's why ang gagawin lang natin is at maraming programa ngayon sa ating mga young people. Mas maganda na ngayon ang pipeline. Mayroon tayong mga spiritual growth workshop na 21 days sa Thailand. Mayroon sa Chongpyong. Mamimili na lang sila. Unlike noon, walang masyadong opportunity. So, ito kung titingnan natin yung expenses, ang hirap talaga. Hindi talaga natin sila mabigyan ng opportunity. Pero sabi ko, kahit yung mga anak ko, pinupost ko talaga sila na kahit ako'y missionary, you need to strive, determine na yung mga ganitong opportunity, kailangan kayo mismo makapag-discover ng inyong spiritual life. Kayo mismo makapag-recognize kay parents, hindi dahil sa akin, hindi dahil sa mama nyo. So, importante kayo mismo na kahit wala kami, you can stand on your faith. So, yun ang pinaka-importante. You will offer your highest form of filial piety and loyalty to our heavenly parents and to parents. So, yun po ang gusto nating i-share. That's why I'm very happy na may ganitong program and education na ini-emphasize yung lifelong commitment. Hindi 40 elders na tayo ay tapos na tayo dito. Kasi nalulubat din tayo. Kahit mga leaders, nalulubat din. Nalulubat din kami. So, kailangan din namin i-comfort ang isa't isa. Makinig sa mga testimonies, sharing ng mga brothers and sisters natin para makakuha din tayo ng strength, ng energy, para makapagbigay din tayo ng mga inspiration sa ating mga brothers and sisters dito sa ating mga region. Kaya sa mga regions, sa mga provinces, pag may opportunity po, mag-host po tayo ng mga Chonbo event kasi iba rin talaga na maka-experience talaga sila ang mga young people. May support our region, Philippine region. Ipag-pray natin ang ating regional director kasi napaka-challenges, very challenging ang maging national leader at maging regional director sa ngayong situation. So, pag-pray natin po ang ating mga leaders. With that, maraming salamat po and God bless us all.
Thank you so much po, Sir Rene Lansangan, for that uplifting closing message. Aju po tayo dyan. Aju. So with that, we will now conclude our gathering po. So I'll invite Mr. Melchor Castro to give us our closing prayer.
Good evening, brothers and sisters. Please join me in prayer. Our most loving Heavenly Parent, and victorious true parents of heaven, earth, and humankind, we are so grateful for this wonderful evening you have given us for the second session of the 4-day Great Works Chonbo Education, for enlightening us, Heavenly Parent, on how important this great work is for your providence and for all our brothers and sisters. Through this event, we could deeply connect to our Heavenly Parent and true parents, especially to our Holy Mother Hen, that she may be well and be totally free from detention center. Heavenly Parent, you have given us this special grace to uplift our spiritual life and understand deeply the spirit world. May we could be able to liberate our ancestors and even our central evil spirits. Heavenly Parent, you have given us opportunity to liberate and uplift the suffering heart of our brothers and sisters, especially our blessed families who are having difficulties and challenges in their life, physically and spiritually. Thank you, Heavenly Parent, for allowing us to fulfill our responsibility as blessed families and Chonbo victors to comfort your heart even in this very moment. May we could be able to fulfill our duties and responsibilities by bringing all our brothers and sisters and our relatives and friends, and wherever we are, we could always carry the foundation of our true parents' great education of the divine principle. Loving Heavenly Parent, we would like to offer to you everything with grateful heart. In atoning Holy Mother Hen, I would like to offer this prayer with deep gratitude in my name, Melchor Castro's blessed family. Aju.
Thank you so much po, Mr. Melchor Castro, for that closing prayer. So on behalf of the team and organizer of this gathering po, thank you so much for coming for today's 4-day special Great Works Chonbo Education. So may I request everyone to please open their camera po as we would like to remember this special moment, commemorative photo. Ayun. Wow. Good evening po. Okay. I think everyone is now well prepared. So let's say, 아버지, 어머니, 사랑합니다. Vision 2027. 승리, 승리, 승리. Thank you very much po everyone for coming and joining. See you po on April 28 at 7 p.m. through Zoom. You could greet also our fellow brothers and
Thank you so
sisters.
much.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, everyone.
Thank you,
Everyone.
brothers and sisters. Have a good day.
Thank you po,
감사합니다.
Sir Edgar, Illustrissimo family. Thank you po.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Hello,
you.
Ryan.
Thank you.
Fighting, fighting, fighting.
Fighting.
Sabi na, ano yung typing.
Fighting lang, kapit lang.
Yes. Thank
Success!
Thank
you.
you.
Sungni.
Salamat po.